Welcome to another All About RVs tour here. Today we are up at the manufacturer checking out the new 2025 Sabre 33RLP triple slide out fifth wheel with the Sabre sun deck on it right here. This is a power bifold deck here. It is prepped on the back of the RV for a camera system and rear ladder. Has a little 2-inch hitch receiver on the back. Auto level jack system. Again, triple slide out rear living room setup, dual power awnings, heavy duty step, and large handle getting you in here. This here is one of the first ones built, so there might be a little bit of tweaks here and there as the factory rolls it into full production. But overall, tell me what you think of this new fifth wheel layout here. Is this something you think that you could hang out in for the long weeks? You're going to have that famous TikTok sink there, solid surface countertops, freestanding table. Check out the huge L-shaped sofa back here with a little ottoman. Look at that big TV and electric fireplace right there. We'll check out what this deck looks like closed up at the end as well for you. But quite a few cabinets back in this section as well. A couple little shelves. Look at how that big that little sliding door is right there. And again, you got that whole deck area out there. Looking forward here, you again are going to have the hang down pendant lighting up top, big refrigerator and oven as well. You have a little pantry area over here. You're going to have a little area for a coffee bar or something if you want to set that up as well. You got that floating style step taking you up into the bathroom and bedroom area right here. Going on up this way, you're going to have the bathroom right here on the left. Glassed in shower area, big skylight, big turbo fan. You got a sliding linen closet right here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You're going to have that camper king bed, little dresser area, couple windows on the side of the bed there that open as well. Dual air conditioners on the unit. You're going to have washer dryer hookups up here in this big closet area. Some nice shelf space back there as well too. But this, again, a very new, unique floor plan for the Sabre lineup, guys. Tell me what you think of the RV down below. Factory is looking for some more ideas and stuff as well, so they are paying attention to the comments on these new models. And again, be sure to check out the folks, guys, at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV. Now back here to the TV area here, you can kind of see they're getting ready to put this deck up right here. So when this deck goes up, it also becomes a big glass window as well, this bifold door here. So again, powered deck, they're going to push the button here, and then it does have these little clamp bars to seal it up when it is actually all the way up there. Again, if you don't mind, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thanks again.